You guys have to understand. So let's go back to 1999. So in 1999, my mom, she goes, listen, look for a job. And we just came out from a burning house. We lost everything, every single thing. I'm thinking, how am I gonna get everything back? My mom can't work, she's in the hospital, her both ankles are broken. I need to make some money. She goes, why don't you apply at the hospital? I said, I ain't no doctor. Next thing you know, I wrote down anything. I would do anything. Which brings me to the fact that sometimes, you know, it doesn't matter. When you're down and you want to win, you're willing to do whatever it takes. So I said anything, and they actually called me. They said, listen, you applied and you wrote down anything. Is that correct? I said, yes, it is. What do you guys got? He said, listen, we got a position in the Department of Sterilization for the equipment for the OR. Are you interested? Whatever it takes. I'm going to do whatever. And then I had a job for 20 years, which I did not stay in that department. I ended up working in the